In this video, I'll walk you through how to update your DJI Drone software. If you find this guide helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Updating DJI Drone software ensures optimal performance, new features, and bug fixes. It also enhances safety and compatibility with other devices and accessories. To update the software of your DJI Drone, start by powering on the controller. This is the first essential step to begin the update process. Once the controller is on, open the DJI app or the controller's interface, depending on your model. In the app, you will need to locate the profile icon, which is usually positioned in the top corner of the screen. Tap on this icon to access your settings. Next, within the Settings menu, find the About section. This area provides information about the current software version of your drone and controller, as well as other related details. In the About section, there will be an option to check for updates. Tap on this option to see if any new firmware or software updates are available for your drone. If an update is available, the app or controller will prompt you to start the update process. Before proceeding, make sure that your drone, controller, and mobile device have sufficient battery life, as the update process may take some time to complete. Ensure that your devices are connected and stable during the update. Once you confirm that you are ready, the update will begin. The app or controller will guide you through the necessary steps, and you will receive a notification when the update is complete. Afterward, your DJI drone will be equipped with the latest software version, ready for use. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.